All right, these are directions for our next math game, which is rolling for 500 online. So here you have your directions if you want to play it with your family. Here are the directions, or if you want to play it online. So I'm going to click on it. And this is a large game, so it will take a little bit longer for it to load if you haven't already loaded it on your computer. So what's going to happen is player 1 rolls the die. You're going to match the number rolled on the table on the game board to determine how many spaces you move. For example, if you roll a 1, you're going to add 30. If you roll a 2, you're going to subtract 20. Player 1 moves their marker. Players take turns rolling the die using the table to determine the spaces. So you're playing against the computer. The first player to reach or cross the finish line, which is all the way down here, wins the game. If you move behind start, you do not move. So what that means is if you're at the start right now and you roll a 2, you would go back 20. You would subtract 20. But we can't go backwards if we're at the start. So it's saying you can't go past this start line. So if you roll a 2 at the very beginning or a 4 at the very beginning, you're just going to stay there. All right, this game does take a while, so we are going to play all the way through, but you're more than welcome to stop watching it once you get the idea. All right, we click roll, and I got a 2. So what is that? Well, I subtract 20. So where do I end up? Well, I end up at 0. All right, it's now the computer's turn. So we click roll, and computer got a 40, which is subtract 60. So computer stays there. So we click roll again. We have a 3. So 3 is add 50. So I'm going to end up at what? I'm at 0, and I'm ending up at 50. So I type in 50, and it moves me forward. It's the computer's turn, so now click roll. And the computer got 50 also. So now it is my turn. So it says your turn, click roll. So I roll, and I got a 4. I'm at 50 right now, and a 4 is I subtract 60. So where should I end up? Well, I can't go backwards. Remember, it says I can't go past start, so I'm going to actually stay at 50. All right, so I roll again, since I couldn't go backwards. So now I subtract 20. So what would that be? Well, that would be 30. And it moves me back there. Remember, you can't go past, so if you would go past, you roll again. Computer got a 3, so now it's my turn. I got a 2. Man, I'm not doing very good against the computer, so I need to subtract 20. So I'm at 30, I subtract 20, I'm at 10. Computer's turn. My turn. 5. So I look 5, I add 80, so I'm at 90. And I'm going to keep on going. Computer got a 4, but can't go back, so now it's my turn, so I roll. And I got a 2, so I'm at 90. I end up at 70. Roll. My turn, roll. I need to add 50 to 70, so that's 120. And then you'll see it drops me down to the next line. All right, 3, I'm adding 50. I'm at 120, so 50 plus 120 is 170. If you put the wrong answer in like this, it won't let you move forward. So you need to make sure you put the right answer in before it moves. All right, I'm going to stop narrating. I'm just going to play until we get to the end, and then you can see what will happen. And look, more than halfway there. And just pulled ahead of the computer. Tied up. Computer pulled ahead. And we're almost there. All right, and game is almost finished. So I think you guys got the idea of it. So good luck.